Hello, Monami. What is this noise?
Hello, miss. This noise is coming from my tummy.
This noise is coming from your tummy?
Yes, miss. The big fat rat inside my tummy is making that noise because I ate so many peanuts.
Do you know, Monami, that rumbling sound inside your tummy is similar to the sound of the letter R. And today we are going to do letter R. Hello children, welcome to our channel Let's Learn with Monami.
Hello, friends.
Get ready to learn about the 26 letters in the English alphabet. And today we are going to do letter R. Okay, so let's start. This is an uppercase R. What is this, Monami?
This is an uppercase R.
And this is a lowercase r. What is this, Monami?
This is a lowercase r.
As you know, children, every letter has a different sound. Letter R is a consonant and it has a sound. To make you understand it better, let us hear the story of Robbie the robot. Once upon a time, a rabbit read about a hidden treasure inside a riverbed. It was near a garden of roses. Rabbit decided to take help from her friend Rhino. The day they set out, it started raining heavily. A little while later, the sun came out and a rainbow appeared behind the mountains. Rabbit and Rhino were excited about their journey to the treasure. After a long walk to the rose garden, they found the riverbed. Together, they started to dig. Rhino with a strong horn and Rabbit with her spade. After many hours of digging, they could see a shiny figure. Rabbit and Rhino were both surprised to find a robot. They were wondering what to do next, when all of a sudden the antenna of the robot started glowing and making a sound. The next moment it stood up and came near Rhino and Rabbit. He introduced himself.
I am Robbie the robot from planet Rex. Will you be my friend?
Rabbit and Rhino were startled, but glad to find a friend as their treasure.
Tummy rat is also like a robot. It makes sounds like Robbie.
That is the sound of letter R. So now let us sing about the sound of letter R. R is a consonant, it has a sound. R is a consonant, it has a sound.
R is a consonant, it has a sound. R is a consonant, it has a sound.
Let us say the R sound. R, 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 R.
Let us say the R sound. R, 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 R.
R as in rose, R as in river, R as in rhino.
R as in rose, R as in river, R as in rhino.
Isn't it fun? It's good to learn. R is a consonant, it has a sound. R is a consonant, it has a sound.
R is a consonant, it has a sound. R is a consonant, it has a sound.
Let us say the R sound. R, 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 R.
Let us say the R sound. R, 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 R.
R as in road, R as in rain, R as in rainbow.
R as in road, R as in rain, R as in rainbow.
Isn't it fun?
It's good to learn.
So now let us revise. So what is the sound of letter R?
R. R as in robot, R as in rabbit.
Good. So in our next class, children, we will learn about letter S.
And please friends, do not forget to like, subscribe and share our channel.
Okay, children. Bye.
Bye friends.